Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Takara Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy lineup Autobot Weaponizer COD. C-O-G, not C-O-D, not Call of Duty, not COD, but COD. Like, a COD wheel. Yep. So this one is, or can't get focus here. WFC-S8. So it's the 8th one in their lineup. So these are his modes, fully transformed into its big combined vehicle mode. Which, funny, if you kind of let the white here, well, it's not white, it's gray. Not gray. You know what I mean. It's like, until it's silver, it's gray color. Yeah. And then the blue and the red. And the way how it kind of looks right here in this art mode, vehicle mode, almost looks like Ultra Magnus. Now it's not Ultra Magnus, but you could almost pull off a Ultra Magnus right there. There's this little weapon that it forms. There is on Sideswipe all weaponized. I love the artwork here. Over here you can see that you could split up into two separate little ground assault vehicles. And he is a deluxe class fitter. Now, if you can see right there and there, like right in this little section, yeah, that is, I'm going to say Hasbro's stupid idea, because we know Takara told me it's a lot smarter than Hasbro, especially when it comes to Beyblades and stuff like that. But right in this little area right there, that's a Cybertronian text that you got to decode. The only way to actually decode it is, which today my lights is working really good, that you can actually see like this little tester right here in there, was to get a black light. You had to use a black light to flip this and then go to the website and decode it. Yeah, I don't know why you just couldn't put all those little letters on the bed bots like how they did for right here. But this is not the code, this is on every bots. But every bots will have a secret hidden message code right here. Yep, so let's open it up and get the bots undone. I love the background artwork. Now apparently this little like Triton symbol here is supposed to be the Cybertronian version of the little Autobot symbol. So in the Siege